Hello, hi. So today just wanted to talk to you about a bit about Uber as well as Grab. Um, they are two big, I would say, working towards becoming a super app. They, of course, Uber and Grab, they are very interlinked. Actually, Uber owns about 27% of Grab after they did a merger way back in 2018. So basically, Grab is more like an associate company, although they operate under a different brand name. And so you can actually have exposure to Grab or as well as Uber. Grab has a market cap of like maybe around 14 billion right now, which is about 14 billion, and then whereas Uber has around a market cap of about 94 billion. So if you can see, the market cap is probably like 4.5 times more than Grab. So for me, I would personally think that Grab is a better option right now, especially they has a moat in the Southeast Asia, and they are working towards becoming a fintech as well company, and also doing they own like Jaya Grocer, which is a consumer discretionary in business. So which is I think and they have buy now pay later as well, which is they charge interest and they should have interest income as well. So looking at all this, you can have either both exposure, and the market right now, of course, the Magnificent Seven, right, has ran up quite a lot by over 40%, and analysts are looking at broadening of the market. Of course, there are also the bears saying that there will be a recession coming year end, and correction should be happening anytime soon. But if you look at broadening of the market, right, there are of course energy, so many different sectors that you can go into, and industrial is definitely one of them. And Grab and Uber are under industrial. Industrial covers a very wide segment. As you can see, Caterpillar also is one of them, which had a massive rise in the share of 8% in a day. So looks like industrial is definitely working towards the next sector, creating the market bull run and maintaining the market bull run. So I just want to show you a very interesting interview with Uber on the potential catalyst that is coming up. They were talking about super app, autonomous vehicle, and also the AI role, which definitely should reduce the operating costs. So just show you a bit about
serve amongst others in delivery, and then in trucking, of course, Aurora, with which we have a strategic investment as well. So we absolutely believe that autonomous is going to be a part of the future, and we are working to expose our leading marketplace to autonomous technology as it develops in a safe, efficient manner.
Well, speaking of another kind of technology, artificial intelligence, Instacart's now out with a chatbot, DoorDash as well. Is there an Uber bot in the works?
There's definitely going to be an Uber bot in the works, but I tell you that we have been working with machine learnings, artificial intelligence systems, deep learning systems for years and years and years. Every time you get matched up with a car or get matched up with a courier, there are ML algorithms that are making that match. The pricing that happens, time and day and distance, all of that is driven by machine learning algorithms. So that has been going on, and those algorithms only get better, and the data sets that we work with are the largest data sets globally. And the more data we have, the smarter we get, the more personal we can get. We're now focused more on productivity applications. So for example, introducing...
So this is just a few catalysts on like autonomous vehicle. Of course, that one's a little bit of a long shot, but AI role, chatbot, as you can see, machine learning and all that will reduce your operating costs for sure. The human capital can be lesser. So I'll show you a little bit about what they say about Super App.
To your crosstown neighbor, Mr. Musk, and what X is doing within Everything app?
It's difficult to take your eyes off of what Musk is doing or read about what Elon is doing, and we do so because we want to learn and listen. It's pretty fun, but we are leading in terms of building out a super app. Remember too that in Southeast Asia we have a very significant strategic investment in Grab. Grab has mobility delivery payments on their app. Kareem, in which we have a big investment in the Middle East, same thing, mobility delivery payments and stuff, payments as well. So we're very, very familiar with the super app concept. And in the West, I do think Uber is the closest to achieving that super app. We want to be that operating system for your everyday life. Wherever you're going, whatever you want to get delivered, Uber is going to be there for you. And I think that we are steadily moving along the super app path, which is why we're gaining category positioning.
So as you can see, there are definitely good growth potential. It looks like there could be a 10x stock for Uber and Grab. They definitely have a moat. Uber is the first time ever. Second quarter is the quarter that they actually make a profit after, burning so much money since the company was listed until now. And this is the first time they are making profit, but of course the share tumble. I don't know why, because analysts are saying that they missed earnings estimates by 33 billion to 32 billion for the second quarter. But take note that second quarter has always been the weakest for transportation, and less people go for holidays, less people take Uber and all that. So quarter 3 and quarter 4 should be really good for Uber and Grab. And then of course the analysts were very bearish in the sense that they're saying the growth may not be in double digit, and may become a double value stock, with single digit growth and slow down. So these are the things that you probably need to look into. We will cover another video about the depths of Uber, because these are very important in the high interest rates regime, and higher for longer as well. As for Grab, I know that they have redeemed a big significant 700 million of bonds recently, end of last year, and they only have about another 700 million the debts, and they have a lot of cash because they are also a fintech. People actually save money inside and use it as an e-wallet. So and that's all for today, and hope you like the channel, and please like. Thank you.